Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 restart automatically after shutdown 2025. First method is View Advanced System Settings, click View Advanced System Settings. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change what the power buttons do, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. Fourth method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand Current Version, click WinLogon. Open Power Down after shutdown, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.